Today we have a unified bowling event with 6 Millard elementary schools.
And last but not least, we have the Wheeler Wildcats.
Really just got about
Grab the ball.
35 kids together to do some unified bowling.
Okay, let's go. This is Johnny. He's bowling right now. Push it. There you go. It's kind of fun to see them be able to participate in some of the things that only we would be able to do. Yeah!
I think, the importance of unified sports is just really about bringing people together, giving people an opportunity to represent their school, their community, and it's just all about fun.
All right, let's cheer Dylan on. For some of the kids, this is their only opportunity to participate in sports, so it gives them the exposure to try new things and to be an athlete.
Sport is really a catalyst to allow them to be a part of things. They get to do things with their peers that maybe they might not have the opportunity otherwise, and it creates an acceptance and a climate of inclusion within their walls.
Makes us think like, oh, they're just like us.
There you go. Look at it go. There it goes. You got 3 more. Good job. My hope is that this begins to bridge the gap between the special program and the regular classroom, that they then begin to sit together at lunch. They have the opportunity to play together at recess.
You having fun?